Hey everyone, and welcome back. My name's Alan. Our 3D printer is working now, so let's get right into an episode of
It Came from Thingiverse.
That's right. On It Came from Thingiverse, we go on the website Thingiverse and find cool 3D print files and print them out and see how they turn out. Today we are making a Pokeball. So we go on Thingiverse, we find the file we want. I like the way this looks, so we're going to save it. We're going to send the files to my slicing program, and over the course of about a week of 3D printing, on and off, using two different filament colors, we have our pieces. We printed the two inner pieces of the shell in black, and we printed these two in white. I didn't have any red filament, so I spray painted this. Let's assemble it. So we're going to start with our shell here. It clamshells together like this. It's designed to use a piece of 3D printer filament to work as the hinge, so we're going to put that in. So opens and closes. We are going to insert our button assembly into the tracks provided, and we have our button installed. We're going to use some Tamiya extra thin cement to give us adhesion for our base. And we're going to do the same thing for the top here, just to make sure that it all fits together the right way. And as simple as that, you have a Pokeball. Happy printing and happy modeling. We'll see you next time.